I'm Kate Feeks. Welcome to this edition of Medina County Court News. On Thursday, March 1st, 2012, Addie L. Oliver, 45, of Medina, Ohio, was sentenced by Judge Kimbler for domestic violence, a fourth-degree felony. Mr. Oliver appeared in court with his attorney, Michael Ash of Medina. Judge Kimbler sentenced Mr. Oliver to 90 days of home incarceration, supervision for 3 years by the Medina County Adult Probation Department, 24 hours of community service, and counseling if recommended by the Medina County Adult Probation Department in-house counselor. If Mr. Oliver violates these conditions, he's looking at 18 months in prison.
And as the court pointed out, he has an outstanding warrant in Elyria that also is for a traffic-related offense. This matter occurred at Mr. Oliver's home between he and his adult stepson. Alcohol was involved. And in this matter, Mr. Oliver had injuries to his face and head, and Mr. Smalls had injuries to his right hand. We'll let the court...
the allegation being that the right hand came in contact with the face and head.
Of Mr.
Right. Yes,
Oliver. Yes.
I got it.
This case is one in which Mr. Oliver has removed himself from the home.
Right.
They are legally separated, and Mr. Oliver has today with him documents that were prepared by Mrs. Oliver for divorce.
That's good.
They have no minor children together. They have no children together.
Okay. So there's no reason. What you're telling me is there's no reason for them to be in contact with each other.
Correct.
Right. Who's here? Who's Mr. Oliver staying with?
Sandy.
Sandy? Okay. He's staying with you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you have a phone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right.
And Your Honor, just to conclude, Mr. Oliver does have a job waiting for him. He's been employed through the pendency of this case. When the possibility of him going to prison came about, his employer has him sort of sitting at bay. If the court does not impose prison, he's going to go back to work. If the court imposes prison, of course, then he won't be doing that.
Right.
I would ask the court to follow the state's recommendation and impose a non-residential community control sanction. At this point, Mr. Oliver understands if he violates the terms of that community control sanction, he will be going to prison.
Anything further from Mr. Oliver?
Yes. I just want to get my life back together, that's all. You know, and raise my kids. I want to start back paying child support. That's my main concern.
Okay, I've got to put him on non-residential community control sanctions, 3 years initially under ISP because he is a high-risk offender. I'm going to order 90 days of home incarceration. He'll be allowed to go to work, 24 hours of community service. He is to meet with the probation department's in-house counselor, Ron Blue, and discuss his life with him and follow any recommendations he makes for treatment. No court cost. There's a way he gets a job. He does have to pay a community control sanction fee. And if he violates, you're on a F4, right? You're looking at
Yes, Your Honor.
18 months in prison for a violation. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Yeah. He get credit for 61 days served if that ever happens